Look, most of you probably have had a girl interested in you at one point in your life. However, she quickly stops responding. She leaves you unread. It no longer gives you the attention she was giving you. Here's what you don't understand. You're probably confused, but women lose interest quick, even if you're in a relationship with her. Here's why. You're boring. Bro, like you're boring. Your entire life, your entire identity is her, which is suffocating for her. Bro, you should be putting her 3, 4, 5, maybe even 6th in your priority list. That's what's gonna keep her interested, because you're always gonna have something interesting to do that's preoccupying your time. She's gonna want some of that time, but again, you have her on the 6th position. And then once you do give her some of that time, it's gonna be more valuable because you're not there all the time. And then because you're doing all these other activities and hobbies, you'll have more stories to share and more things to talk about, which are gonna keep things interested. Number 2, you're the same person. Yo, she's known you for 2 years now, right? 3 years, maybe 4 years. You're the same dude you were back in 2019. You don't try to evolve. You don't try to change. She's dating the exact same person she was dating 3 years ago, and she got bored. The truth is, you as a guy should be constantly evolving. Build your physique. Change your look, challenge yourself, start developing a grooming routine. Imagine one day you just pull up with a new hairstyle or a full-grown beard, which, by the way, any of you can grow, especially after this October 16th. See, October 16th, boy, 10 a.m. Eastern, our Heat Grooming Collection is dropping, and we're dropping a new derma roller. Now, if you know, you know, derma rollers are scientifically proven to help you grow a beard. So let's say you're a dude, you got a baby face, you're trying to impress, you can't grow a beard for the life of you. This is the product you need. Not only is it gonna be crazy affordable, which means it'll most likely sell out fast, so you should put a reminder on your phone, like, actually, I'm gonna give you some time. Put a reminder on your phone. October 16th, 10 a.m. Eastern, Heat Grooming drops. Good? All right, let's hop into it. See, a derma roller, not only is it affordable, it's scientifically proven to help stimulate the hair follicles in your face or in any area that you roll it over to help start regrow some of that hair that you can't grow in your patchy regions. Don't take my word for it. Look it up. Google it. Look at forums. Look at the before and afters. This stuff works, and now we designed it in a way that it looks masculine, that it looks sexy. That way when you put it in your bathroom next to your other heat grooming tools, you're just a dude with the tools to make you look good. See, I build tools to make you look sexier, and if you do want to look sexier, you want to start developing that grooming routine, you should look no further. Yo, he has all the tools that you need, because we're also dropping a body scrubber. Don't even get me started on that body scrubber. That silicone body scrubber is designed to not only look sexy, that you don't have to replace it, but more importantly, it exfoliates the skin. So every time you step out the shower, you got baby smooth skin. Bro, like, I'm trying to help you out. And if you don't put that reminder on your phone, chances are you're gonna miss out on the product. I don't want you to miss out on the product, so put that reminder on your phone, bro. Number 3, they found somebody better. See, female nature is naturally hypergamous. And yes, there are a few women that tend to be more loyal than others, but they're rare, especially in today's day and age with social media. A lot of women let their hypergamy take control over them, and it's natural. They're always trying to look for somebody better. The guy that's more athletic, that has better genetics, that can give them better kids, that can protect her, that can provide. They're always looking for the best to be able to mate with. So your goal is, first of all, don't link up with the girl that you know that's out there looking for something better, and she usually makes this really evident, especially how she acts on social media. Like, you'll just know it's a bad call. But second, you need to understand that as men, we are always in competition. Just how it's naturally for them to be hypergamous, it's naturally for us to consistently want to compete for the best mate. We're always competing for that top female to mate with, so you as a man, you always gotta stay competitive. You gotta stay sharp and in your masculine frame, even if you've been dating her for 6 months or a year or 2 years. Too many guys will get comfortable in relationships. They're like, I already got her. So they let themselves go. They gain some of that happy weight. They stop working on their success and on their goals and on their dreams, and they just stay stagnant. They stay there. And then here comes a dude that's been busting his ass, and your girl's not loyal, which again, you should have thrown her out anyways. So of course she's gonna go with the dude that's better. Number 4, the sex is bland. Look, I said it. You're probably doing the same 1, 2, maybe 3 positions every night. Like, yo, she sees it coming at this point. On top of that, you're probably selfish. You're only worried about pleasing yourself and probably lack basic hygiene down there. After a few months, that spark that had her blind, it's gonna wind out, and so will her interest. Number 5, you just cheat. See, grown men should not be cheating. See, I get it. Every guy has that initial impulse to cheat because, well, you want something better, and you think, yo, I'll just hold on to this one. She'll never know, go and I'll grab this other one. But this is just pure selfishness. Yo, just let her go. Chances are you're gonna end up hurting her so much that she's never gonna have interest in you like she once did. And clearly why that interest has faded over time. Once she knows, it's game over. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our He launch happening this Saturday at October 16, 10 a.m. Eastern. You don't want to miss it. That's it for me today. See you next time.